Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Finally, tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, after that, autocorrection is off, but you can always turn it on by tapping on the same, now grey switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!